Oh, god damn. I guess it ain't that easy. So tried to give me problems. Not today. Not today, brother. Here's the other car. 2007. Oh, with fancy ass ugly rims. Alright, it's a 2007 BMW 525i from the insurance auction IAA. We're getting the TCM transmission control module error code with low voltage. So it probably needs a battery. And it's also giving me the CAN engine error. And I'm also getting a camshaft, crankshaft position sensor error and a few other ones. Position sensor may actually be a real fault code and have it replaced, but also have oil dripping on top of the alternator from the oil filter housing. So I'll show you guys that, and then I'm gonna get this battery in here and see if we can. So found the problem. Here's the problem right here. Yeah, it's a BMW. That's why it's fucking broke. No, I'm playing. So anyways, I think half the problem is this. So this filter housing has been leaking for a while, and you guys can't see it, but behind here, the back end of this alternator, it has leaked all over it, and the coils in the alternator are very dirty. And if I had to bet, that's what's causing half of the charging problems on this vehicle. But we shall see. So I'm gonna clear these fuckers. Erase, yes, erase. All right, cool. So we'll do that. We'll cut the car back off. Take the key out. And start it and see what happens. Oh, it started. No Duralast batteries over here. Look at that. No check engine light. But it's asking me to service it. Let's drive this thing and see what happens. So I'm gonna go take it on the highway. Got my AAA card ready. So let's go drive this bad boy and see what happens. All right, went into gear. Tells me it ain't a transmission problem. Oh, some electrical. Let's see. Oh, we got full power. Yeah, so let me go drive it and see what happens. No, it came back on. Fuck! The life of a car dealer. Terrible.